Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Yeah, but they see now that's where you can't go on. You have to pack up. Fucking cunts. Yeah, pack up everything. They always have singers. Oh, some movie that was so someone cut the tree down because of a Māori that was protesting. So they call it One Tree Hill, but there's billions of trees. And billions of hills. My scar scooter.
Can't take my eyes off you. I love you, baby. And if it's quite alright, oh, I need you, baby. To all these lonely nights, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say you're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you, baby. I love you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. To all these lonely nights, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, baby, don't bring me down.
And now we're in Mission Bay having lunch. Insert location, Mission Bay.
Love you.
Keep going. Yeah, there. Hi everyone, this is, what's your name?
Alena.
And this is, how old are you?
8.
You're 8. And this is Chris. And this is Skylar. Skylar, how old are you?
She's 3.
3. And how old is Chris?
1. He's 2.
1 or 2?
Yeah. 2. And I think it's a good idea to do my creations I did for Christmas.
Oh, that's a nice creation. After having a few naps in the car and the house, we're just gonna be going to Sky Tower for dinner. And we are now at the Sky up the north. And now we are at level 60. Let's go. long as being organized. So amazing.
Just too good to be true.
This is entree. Sorry guys. What mind is it after? It's supposed to be a tiramisu. It tastes crazy good. Cheesecake. Everyone orders cheesecake. So sweet. Chuck me on mark, no chill, wanna be like Michael Scofield. And the food was 10 out of 10. Food were not really masangi too, but ele masang. I Now, food was really good. Stay tuned, guys. Win me. Morning, guys. It's Monday morning. All my cousins are at work, and now it's time to meet up with a few people. This morning I'll be meeting up with a friend. I'll introduce you to him. And we are currently in Newmarket Coffee Club. So yeah, almost there. 9:30 a.m. meet up. After this we'll be heading to my grandma and spending some time with her. But yeah, gosh, are we just eating throughout these vlogs? Fine by me. Okay, stay tuned, y'all. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my god. What? Has it changed? Experience of a volcano. Okay, it just erupted. Black smoke is gonna get us. Not lit here.
New Zealand is a land of earthquakes and eruptions.
Auntie! Nana?
2,000 years later.
How cute is my grandma? Making me wear ears as soon as I walk in. We're just gonna go to the Gifanga. Just gonna look around. Thanks, Auntie. Oh yeah. Bum, bum, bum. my Nana. Nana. Say hello. Hola YouTube. Hey guys. Just here with Nana. We are at Sylvia Park, about to go to the movies. One fact about my grandma, she actually loves the movies. Nana, Fifi.
You lying? Why you always lying?
One fact about my grandma, she actually loves the movies. Nana, Fifi. Excuse the crack. Smelling. Dale. Stay tuned, y'all. So we just finished watching the movie. Sorry guys, I'm holding everything. And we're just going back to the car. I'm just gonna hold her hand and then we'll go. Sorry, I'm like carrying everything. Hey guys, oh my gosh, you guys are so sick of my face. So I dropped off my grandma back to my cousin Monga's house. So now I have come to the hub and I am going to be watching the practice of Uru Tabu. They're a group, Siva Samoa group. While they do all types of dancing here in New Zealand, like they're just amazing. They're known and amazing. Anyways, but I'm here to watch their group dance and practice. So yeah, one of the girls that I competed with in Miss Samoa 2017 with Miss Samoa New Zealand 2017, Natsulangi, also on Instagram known as Siva Mai with Nat. Check her out, amazing. Also Uru Tabu on Instagram also. So yeah, check them out. I'm here to watch them practice. Let's go. And now it is almost 10 p.m. and we are out at Jenny. Oh, Sana. Sorry. I'm fresh. I'm from Sana. What do you want?
Kannst X Benny?
What is that?
You want X Benny?
Eggs Benedict?
With finger oil. I know she wants pancakes.
Yeah, but it's
Oh yeah, and tea. And tea. Oh, so you want late night snacky thing? Yeah. Okay. Ngai ayam ni. Ngai ayam ni sana.
ayah adalah ayah ko.
Oh, lalo may ngai.
Hunger Jacks.
Oh yeah. Burger King.
Oh yeah.
Okay, le pancake mafutful maliki. What if they do tea? Like they should have. Okay, what's the drink?
I'm on the mic, no chill.
I'm just gonna get. Guys, get whatever you want.
Where's the drink menu?
Should we get a one?
Hello, pancake malaki.
I'm so sorry, I forgot to record it.
Yeah, me.
I know. It was this. This pancake. Oh no, hot fudge cake. Oh my gosh, smashed it.
And just like that, my trip has come to an end. Till next time, Auckland. I just want to do a quick shout out to my cousins, Monga, Basa, Dej, Siongwe, Lika, Julie, all of my cousins for such a good stay. I've never been spoiled so much in my life, literally. But yeah, I'm actually so blessed. It was so good to see my Faaosofia cousins. And my next trip down will be in a month's time as well. So stay tuned. I can't wait to see my baby JJ and Gabriel and Lauryn and the rest of them. They're alright. Okay, bye guys.